Hello guys, welcome to Aunty Pat kitchen. I will be showing you guys today how I make my egusi soup. Egusi with chicken and cow tail with bitter leaf soup. I hope you guys will love it. So I love to steam my chicken first so that before I fry it, before I put it inside my egusi soup so that it tastes very nice and delicious. So guys, I will make my egusi soup with bitter leaf and chicken and cow tail today with red oil, crude oil, palm oil. So let's get started, guys.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to show you people today how I make my egusi soup with chicken and cow tail. I'm frying my chicken now so you can see it. So that's my egusi. I'm going to grind the egusi smooth. That's the egusi now. And that's my bitter leaf, that's my spinach vegetable. Slice the spinach and bitter leaf. So I'm going to put my fried chicken inside the pot now. That's my bitter leaf. I'm putting my bitter leaf inside the pot now. So that's my egusi adding to it. So I'm going to put my cow tail to the pot, add it to the chicken inside the pot with the egusi soup and the bitter leaf and the spinach. So now I haven't put that's my oil. I'm putting my palm oil inside now. Palm oil. So I haven't put in my spinach because you should let the spinach be the last because it will melt if you put it from the beginning early. So that's my palm oil. Don't forget to stir it so that it doesn't get burned. It can stick to the bottom and get burned. Just stir it. So that's my pepper. So that's my tomatoes. I'm using a packet tomatoes. Just put 3 spoons of tomatoes inside now. So I'm mixing it together so that they can mix together and not go and don't burn and get stick to the bottom if you don't mix it. So don't forget to always mix your soup to the bottom. So I add 1 more tomatoes to it because it's still too white. So you just keep checking it, the tomatoes you are putting, and until you get the color of the soup, the color you want. So now I'm going to add my Maggi cube to it. Maggi cube. Maggi cube. That's the last one. So guys, don't forget to always wash your hand for hygienic purpose. Make sure your hand is cleaned before starting making your food, and so that because you're touching the ingredients or the food or the items you're going to put inside, so that you feel comfortable when touching them. because your hand is clean. So now I'm going to say it to test the salt, if the salt inside is enough, and the pepper to the taste I want. So that's my spinach. I'm going to slice chopped spinach. I'm going to put the spinach inside now. You remember, guys, I said it's the last one I put when I'm about to put it down, so that it doesn't get too soft. So just stirring it so that it doesn't get burned at the bottom. So now I have my chicken inside, chicken and fried chicken and cow tail, egusi bitter leaf spinach soup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. With this soup you can eat pounded yam, you can eat eba, and some people eat it with rice as well. So you can eat it with whatever you choose to eat it with, but this is how I make my egusi soup. So my egusi soup is cooking now. Let's see. So my egusi soup is ready now. That is my egusi soup.
In my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the number one to get my video when I upload. Thank you. It's nice cooking with you guys today. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Ciao.